How to recover Messenger account without Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. If you've forgotten the password of your Messenger, you can recover it within the app of Messenger without using your Facebook. So let me quickly show you the process of it. Now when you open up your Messenger, you will see this login box. Now in case you don't remember your password, you can directly tap on this option which says forgotten password. Once you do, you can recover your account of Messenger using your email address or your phone number. If you have added in a phone number to your Facebook, you can recover it using your phone number. So type in your option and then tap on continue. After you type in your email address, your account of Facebook will be showing right here. Tap on the account that you're using and tap on continue. Now depending upon which option you choose, a code will be sent to either your email address or your phone number. You just need to type in the code, tap on continue again, and now you can create a new password. After you created a new password, tap on continue. That's how you can recover your Messenger account without having your Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.